The truth about installing spy apps remotely.
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a topic that seems to be surrounded by a lot of curiosity and ambiguity: the possibility of installing a spy app on a target phone without physical access. It's a controversial subject, so let's discuss it in detail.
What are spy apps?
Spy apps are software programs that can be installed on a device to monitor and record user activity. They can track calls, text messages, browsing history, social media activities, and even real-time location. However, their use raises significant ethical, legal, and privacy concerns.
Can spy apps be installed remotely?
This is a common question, and the simple answer is, typically, no. Most reliable and legitimate spy apps require physical access to the device for the initial installation. The idea that spy apps can be installed remotely is largely a myth perpetuated by scammy websites and apps promising such capabilities. Note, there may be exceptional cases such as high-level cyber surveillance conducted by intelligence agencies. However, such activities are not accessible or legal for the general public.
Why is physical access usually required?
Physical access is primarily needed due to the security measures implemented in modern operating systems. Both iOS and Android have strong security protocols that prevent remote installation of any app, especially spy apps, without users' explicit permission or knowledge. Even with physical access, on an iPhone, you typically need the Apple ID and password to install applications, while Android devices may need to be rooted for certain spy apps to function.
What about iCloud-based spy apps?
There are spy services claiming to work with just the iCloud credentials of a target iPhone, negating the need for physical access. However, these have limitations. First, they rely on the target device having iCloud backup enabled. Second, they can only access data backed up to iCloud, meaning real-time monitoring may not be possible. Lastly, accessing someone's iCloud account without their knowledge or consent is illegal and unethical. In conclusion, the general rule is that you cannot install a spy app on a target phone without physically touching the device, due to both technical and legal reasons. It's essential to respect others' privacy and always use technology ethically and legally. We hope this video has shed light on the topic. Stay savvy, stay respectful, and remember to always use your tech knowledge responsibly.